Hi neighbors, in this video we're going to be taking you through my birthday week, starting with the whole candle incident on Sunday when we did the live. So during the live on Sunday, Mommy and Uncle Paul planned this pre-birthday cake cutting for me, and Uncle Paul decided to pull a prank that did not go as he thought it would, and he almost burned down the house, basically. So
here's that video.
Yeah, here's that video.
Alright, we're good. Is what she did to me now?
After the live, we went to go get my favorite, ice cream, and I got Crunchy Munchy and Uncle Paul got vanilla, which Mommy was not too happy with. But we all enjoyed it because we all love ice cream, and that was really fun. So you can see the pictures inside right here now.
The no second card is a good thing I had the exact money to buy this cone. What are we going to put this single cone for you?
Oh, so what, Hannah gets a double cone?
Not single.
So how Hannah on was falling off the cone?
Really?
So is me really buy this for and you're going at it like this?
Yeah, it's for you, me, Leila and Zahra.
No.
Yeah.
So where's the rest of the ice cream?
Yeah. This is for us. Well, this is primarily for me. This quart.
Primarily for you? How so?
This is for mommy.
Are you named birthday boy?
No. I'm cute, handsome, intelligent. Wow.
Also big head.
Okay, eat the ice cream before you please.
So on Monday and Tuesday, I didn't do anything. I just went to school as usual. But on Wednesday, which was my actual birthday, Uncle Paul got me a special treat, which you'll see in the video right here, which I very much enjoyed. And then we went out afterwards to get my ears pierced. Finally, after so many years of me not wanting to do it, I finally decided to do it. So, yay!
Hi neighbors, it's raining on Hannah's birthday, but we're going to get her something special for lunch. And I'm the guy that has to do it. And I'm going to be running out in the rain right now. So, time for the big moment. You ready? Mm-hmm. Sure? Mm-hmm. What are we going to do now?
Get my ears pierced.
Let's take a last look at them before. She's right ear before. And left ear before. So you'll be coming back a changed person, right? Mm-hmm. You sure you don't want to change your mind? Alright, let's go. Okay, roll call. Leila, you're here? Ready to go?
Car.
Oh, you're Zahra, Leila. Who are you?
Okay.
What's your name?
Zahra.
Oh, Zahra. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Leila, ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
What's your name?
Eden.
Ready, Eden? Ready, Hannah?
Mm-hmm.
Ava? Ready? Ready?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yes,
Are
kinda.
you sure?
Ish.
Nerves?
Yes, a lot.
Alright, let's go. right, Hannah. So what of this you want now?
Which do you think I should get?
I
Silver
think
or
a regular
gold?
gold, you know.
can do that one, yeah. Better pretty.
Yes, this is pretty.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
You sure school I want that one?
School?
Yeah.
No, when you go into school, you can choose one for school.
Okay.
All right, so we'll take one of this and one of these regular knob ones. Cute. Oh my god.
What?
Missed all of it.
Really?
Seriously. I had it on pause and I never pressed resume. Oh gosh. Never mind. The finished product is there. We have all the wonderful stuff over here that was used. Oh gosh. Look at that.
Your daughter.
Yes.
No, yes.
How you feel? How you feel?
If you, I feel like I was kind of over exaggerating.
Everything I have now is yours, eh?
Yes.
Oh goodness. Well, we can come back and you can pick out. Pick out. Where's the other one?
In my bag.
All right. Okay. Well, let's go. Are you ready? Let's go choose our tutti frutti. Are we enjoying ourselves? Leila and Zahra? Finish eating?
Yeah.
Still going? Enjoying it?
Yes.
On Thursday, I went to go get my second shot of the Pfizer vaccine. And it was fun because I got to spend time with Uncle Paul and his mother, Auntie Norma. So here's the video of that.
Why are we here?
To get the vaccine.
Vaccination. Second dose, Pfizer. When were we supposed to get the second dose again? From September?
Yeah.
September 15, we're supposed to get the second dose. It's now November 11, which is October, November. 2 months after we're supposed to get the second shot. But if it's ready now, it's ready now, and we're going to get it as part of Hannah's birthday treat. Woo! Alright, we're going now. You have the vaccination cards?
Yes.
You have the pens?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. What do you think could be worse, the second shot or the earrings? What do you think would be more painful?
Earrings.
Earring was more painful than the first shot?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
True, because I never felt a thing for the first shot, actually. But anyway, let's go. Alright, so we're finished today. just like how the first time we ended together, we're here again. And we weren't allowed to video this time, which is why we're doing it afterwards. But no horns, no tails growing out.
Yet. But we reverse it in the name of Jesus.
Right, so we're okay. So we're going to head home now. And it went pretty smoothly, so that's that.
Friday was my favorite part. It was my favorite day out of the entire week. We went to an Indian restaurant called Saffron in Kingston, and it was amazing. It was really nice. The food was amazing. The service was amazing and everything. And while we were there, we actually met a
The
neighbor.
whole gang is here. Well, no, not the whole gang. Hi, guys. Hey, sweetie. Hi, honey. We're here to celebrate with Hannah. Here's Hannah. So what are you ordering?
Chicken spring rolls.
For starters, okay. And do you know what you want yet for your main course?
No, not yet.
Are you gonna take it?
I guess you can do a selfie or
All right. You're welcome. Wow, interesting, guys. A neighbor in the house. Spring roll, yes. How is it? Lovely? Nice? What's the verdict?
If I look kind of friend, I haven't gone out in like a while.
Daddy's taking extra
So
precautions.
this is very exciting for me. It's not a birthday, but I feel like a win.
You feel like your birthday.
You want to feel like a
Ooh, yeah. Steaming dumplings. Last week you came to me and you said you wanted to do voice lessons.
Yeah.
So, for your birthday, you're getting a package from Ellie the vocal coach and Liz of 10 voice lessons, and you'll start next week.
Yay!
You're excited?
Yes. I would like to thank Auntie Liz for allowing me to get the lessons. I would like to thank you and Uncle Paul for scheduling them.
And paying for them.
Yes.
Don't forget. They're not free.
Yeah.
So excited? Very excited about the voice lessons. Hannah will be doing voice lessons with somebody who we know very well from church, Elizabeth Minto. And she is a music teacher. She's a graduate of Enderman College. She graduated in 2017. She's a music educator. She won the Dennis Brown Award for Excellence when she graduated. She's a vocalist, so she does supporting vocals for different artists. I think she was at Rebel Salute Babe last year. She's a worship leader at our church. She has trained our worship team, that vocal training for our worship team. She's director of our youth chorale at church. So she comes well qualified to train Hannah. So we've included her Instagram handle for those of you who have been asking us about voice lessons. Not everybody who can sing is capable of instructing in the voice. Liz is one of those persons. I mean, she herself is a phenomenal vocalist, and so we're very excited about having Hannah start lessons with her. So, yes ma'am. So this is our orange chicken. our Singapore chicken, our lamb masala, rice. Okay. Very pretty. Thank you. And here's our naan.
So how was 15?
It was good. It was very good. Good week.
You'll be 15 again, you know.
I know.
Was it part of Sweet 16? Was it part of 16?
Yes.
So what was the highlight of the week? What was the highlight? This is the highlight of the week.
This is the highlight? This is the after, girls.
So the highlight is the meal, the experience. Okay, fair enough.
Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed and catch you in the next one. Bye!